awesome. Welcome to my kitchen. Guys, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Me. Yes, we are going to be cooking today and we are going to be making some delicious chicken breast with some potatoes. Oh, I can already taste it. Guys, I've been trying to make this dinner since Wednesday, but I didn't have the motivation to cook. So today is weekend, it's Saturday, the kids are home, hubby is home, and I'm starving, guys. So we are gonna make this chicken breast with some potatoes, and I know it's gonna be very delicious. This is quick, fast, homemade food, okay? So like we always do, we're gonna go to the table and I'll show you guys the ingredients that we are going to use in this delicious homemade meal dinner, chicken breast, potato, the whole 9 y'all. Okay, all right, let's go to the table. Let me show you guys the ingredients. All right guys, we are to the table. Let's go over the ingredients like we always do. For our protein, we have our chicken. We are going to be using our chicken. All right, so we already talked about our chicken, and then of course we need the potatoes. This is what we're going to be making tonight. We're going to be making the potato. And also for our vegetables, I got sliced onions. This is the yellow onions. And then I got down here, I got my garlic. And then over here, I got my mushroom. And I got my bell pepper over here. So let's get ready. Let's go to the kitchen and let's start making dinner.
Hi family, welcome back. Alright, now we're gonna add our flour. I put the flour in the water and I kind of mixed it up, and now I'm gonna put it in the vegetables. And because I want the sauce to be very creamy, nice and creamy, but it got thick really faster than I expected. So we're gonna pour some water in it and stir it up to make it a little loose because we don't want it too thick and too creamy. All right, so let's continue with cooking. Okay family, I want to show you guys. When I was making this potato, I wasn't sure if I should leave the potato whole or if I should slice the potato into 2 pieces. And I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna slice it because it doesn't look preparing the whole, I didn't like the way it looked, so I decided to slice it in 2 pieces. And yeah, don't slice your potato in your pot, you're gonna spoil your pot. Don't do that, okay? All right, now let's continue cooking. Okay, family, we are getting closer. Now we're gonna add our last ingredient to the food, which is our cilantro. We are gonna add our cilantro to the food, and then we're gonna cover it up and let it simmer together. Gosh, the aroma in the room is something else. And then before you know it, voila, food is done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love this cooking video, okay? Let's continue. It's almost dinner time.